And now guys, when you mix everything together, you get a very nice well, bouillon. It's really good. And this is the pig feet. Like if you're sick, it gives you strength. It's very healthy. Oh, it's good. It's awesome. And also, if you have crabs, you can always add crabs to it. This is awesome, guys. You should definitely try this recipe. So it's basically, you know, you boil your meat, and you boil some vegetables and some spinach, and also you just mix them together. So that's why it's called a bouillon. Whatever else you have, you can put in there. We also put some boy, but in this one I didn't want boy. I just wanted the vegetables, and I wanted it very healthy. And that's it. And it is. It's awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.